Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Drive directly to Windows File Explorer, so your cloud files show up just like a regular drive on your PC. No more opening a browser every time. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the navigation menu, then click Download. From the options that appear, select Download Drive for Desktop. This takes you to the Google Drive Help Center. Scroll down slightly until you find the section titled Install Google Drive for Desktop. Click to expand the Windows option, then hit the Download for Windows button. The installer will begin downloading automatically. Just give it a moment depending on your connection speed. Once the download finishes, head to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to launch the setup window. You'll get a couple of options here. If you'd like a shortcut on your desktop for quick access, go ahead and check that box. Then click Install and let it do its thing. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once installation is complete, launch Google Drive right from the setup screen and click Get Started. You'll be prompted to sign in. Just use your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll have the option to choose specific folders on your computer to sync automatically with Google Drive. You can set this up now or skip it and come back to it later. Totally up to you. Step 4. Verify in File Explorer. Now here's the satisfying part. Open File Explorer and look at the left-hand navigation pane. You'll see Google Drive listed right there, just like any other folder. It also appears under Devices and Drives in the main panel, so you can access all your cloud files instantly without opening a single browser tab. And that's it. Quick, simple, and genuinely useful. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.